Welcome to At the Studio. Today we're going to focus on digital illustration, which I think is really awesome. For if no other reason, then you can create your own reality. And perspective here doesn't exist. And true to life, shading and lighting isn't limited to mere physics. So you're going to be at the studio, and I want you to think about your illustration. The first thing is to come up with an original idea for your character and to make a sketch of it. We're going to call this a thumbnail sketch. This sketch can be rough. It doesn't have to be refined. It just kind of gives you an idea of what you would like your character to look like. Next, I want you to take that thumbnail sketch and I want you to redraw it using the basic shapes that we've looked at yesterday, thinking about more complex shapes that your image makes. Try to make these shapes as clean as possible, because they will help in your drawing later on in Illustrator. So I want you to create a core character using your basic shapes, the ellipse, the square tool, the Zorb, and the other tools that we have already used. Later on, we need to go into and talk about adding some shading, because illustrations that don't include shading are flat and are not as interesting. But most illustrations, regardless of style, depend on good shading and lighting to bring it to life and add necessary depth and drama to the overall artwork. Now it's time for you to create your own original character sketch. Start with the thumbnail, then refine it with your basic shapes that we've looked over, then if you like, shade it. For a final result, we'll be drawing it into Illustrator, as you can see here from this example. Remember, your cartoon character must be 100% original of your idea.